Hi student, GCSE Revision 2026 May-June exam coming. Pearson Edexcel International Mathematics A, OMA 1H and 2H papers including one. Another important sum discussed. So, curve C, y equal 4x minus 1 squared minus a greater 4. A greater 4. Right. Using the axis below, sketch the like this. Sketch the curve that y, that x0. Sketch the curve C. One way clearly in terms of A. The coordinate any point intersects C with coordinate axes and coordinate turning point. Right. This x positive mean actually graph shape, minimum graph shape. X squared coefficient positive, right? This positive values ax squared plus bx plus c quadratic type. A greater 0 mean minimum graph should be come. So that graph minimum value should become that point equals 0. X minus 1 equals 0. So x equal 1 and y coordinate minus a. So that minimum coordinate like point put a minus a, that one, so that your minimum point, this is 1, this is 1 and minus a, this is a turning point come x minus that point square root point, that inside equals 0 you take. Now this is symmetry equation, x equal 1, that your minimum value minus a, right, this is a minimum coordinate 1 minus a, graph shape minimum. So that axes intersect value. So y axis intersect mean you have put x equals 0, that equation. So y equal 4, 0 mean that minus 1 squared a, this is 4 minus a. Right. That graph intersect value 4 minus a. Y axis. So that x axis intersect value mean put y equals 0, that equation. So 4 x minus 1 squared minus a equals 0. Okay? X axis mean y equals 0. So 4 x minus 1 squared equal a, x minus 1 squared equal a over 4. Can see x minus 1 equal plus or minus square root a over 2. So x come a plus square root a over 2 and 1 minus square root a over 2. Right. So your graph, I told this a minimum graph though, that come that type, and your graph shape like this. So 1 plus that value, 1 plus root a over 2, that 1 minus root a over 2. Now this is a question. Answers. Right. Not hard. Again I explain. He gave that y equal 4x minus 1 squared minus a greater 4. Right. A value greater 4 means this is a minus answer should become. That's why greater 4 mean. Okay, this is a minus come. So first you decide the graph minimum or maximum. We know a squared plus bx plus c, this y, that a quadratic graph, that a greater 0 mean minimum graph, a less 0 mean maximum graph. That type, this is square form, this 4x squared mean this a minimum graph should become. That's your shape. Minimum point, that type, that x minus 1 equals 0, that x equal 1. And this is a y coordinate minus a, that type. This is a minimum coordinate. Y axis intersect mean x equals 0. You can substitute x equals 0, meaning 4 minus 8. This should become. So x axis intersect value mean y equals 0. That equation put y equals 0, then simplification x come there. This is a normal graph. Okay, I think you understand, follow this. My classes, everything explaining. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Now you need to AS and A level classes and all this GCSE, IGS, everything. My name Hema Gunasekara. Telephone number 071 800 5772. This is my YouTube channel Maths Expert Hema. So thank you so much. Watch my video. If you need to classes AS and A level, Edexcel and Cambridge both, and statistics, mechanics, everything, and further maths also. Contact my telephone number, and GCE and GCE O level and combined maths also, English and single medium. So follow my videos. All this one by one, 1 week, 3 videos uploaded. Okay, in continuous your exam June. Right. Thanks so much. Watch my video. Thanks a lot.